What is good, guys? Welcome to my channel. So today I have a Shein haul for you. So just got a little bit of some things, not a lot of stuff, but the main reason why we're doing this video is that I ordered their like camera stands and like the ring light, which I actually don't have. I usually use like the studio lighting, which I got from Amazon for like 40 euros. That's what I've been using whenever I like do like videos at night. But you know, girl, want to invest in a ring light, but cheap. Okay, let's get on with the video. So I just need some scissors because I'm not really prepared. So like, I don't know how it's really small like this, and I got her like a ring light and stuff. Oh yeah, this is the packaging I got. It's pretty small, we'll see how it works. Then I'll just go through like the little things that I got. So I just got like a wig cap and a wig cap. Open it. Just a wig cap for the wigs. Because I wear wigs for my videos, I don't have time to do my hair. So that's the main thing. And then I got this as well. This is like for to put like in the front of the wig, so rather than use like a glue, this kind of makes it stabilize your head. I don't know what it's called. What's it called again? It's something like I'll probably have like the name written there. So I got like headbands as well. Just like really large ones. Cause like, yeah. So these are like just headbands for like the front of the hair, and they're really big. Like the ones like in Primark are like really small, but I really wanted like big ones. Got that. So I can do something similar to this. Obviously this is a headscarf, but you know what I'm going for. And so it comes in like in 3. So this is navy blue. I prefer like 2 black and 1 brown, but this is what it comes in. There's like the other colors don't work, so this is like the best alternative for me. And the last one, this is a headscarf. But because I like my hairstyles. On my lazy days, this is it every day. Oh god. I actually thought this was black. Oh god. This is not it. Honestly, I thought this was black. But it's a navy, like, I mean. I honestly thought this was black, but it's navy. This is not good. But anyway, it's literally like a headscarf. But everything is done for you. You just need to like put it on, like call it a day. So just like that, like we're done. Like, we don't need to be doing like all the wrapping and that. So it looks like a D-rag, but it's not a jewelry. This is a heel skirt. Yeah, so I actually thought this was black, so I'm actually gonna recheck and see if I can order it black. It's really cheap and black goes with everything, so I don't know why I'm wearing navy. But you know, what's the point? We don't send stuff from Shein back. We don't do that. So this is what I'm really excited about. It's looking, I don't know what, very lightweight. So it is my scissors. Okay, so I'm gonna set it up. I'll have my camera set up so we can set it up together. Obviously this is the ring light. Just hope it's not broken. This is 20 euros. Oh my god. I don't want to cry. Just hope it's not broken. But I'm actually gonna cry right now. Thank God it's not broken. I actually thought it was broken. So it's just like these kind of tools that come with it. It's a lot of effort, but yeah. So I'm trying to set up my camera for you guys to see. Like my room is so tiny, so I can't really take this camera far away. So it's so dark this side. So this seems like it's really tiny. So this is just like the tripod. Okay. It's giving me. So obviously, like, it's not gonna be really strong. I already know that. It's cheap, like. But this is just for the TikTok videos, so I'm only gonna be doing them inside. Like, I would not take this tripod outside. Like, I won't trust it. Because the wind will blow it. So like the one I actually use is very strong and like it's expensive. But yeah, so like the main reason I got this is that it's like you can kind of adjust it. You can also use it for like your phone as well. Like if you just like a selfie kind of stand. So that's the reason I got it, because I need a selfie stand. I need a ring light. So everything comes in one. So I'm definitely gonna be using the selfie timer if I want to do like vlogs outside. That's like the only thing I'm taking outside. Anything else is staying in, because my phone will fly away outside if I take it outside when the wind is like blowing and everything. Anyways, that's the main thing. Just giving me like the reason behind my purchase. So the tools it comes with is theirs. It comes with theirs too. Like I don't know, and this. So I'm just looking like it's the instructions, you know. Comes with theirs. It comes with a shutter, but this is going like, this is like what you really need. Like I have like this is for Android and this is for the iPhone, but I don't know where it is, but I have one. And then this is the ring light. So and then this is like the USB port. It's just like the manual kind of thing. So I think I just have to use my common sense to set it up. I don't know why there's no instructions, but when you do go on like the page that you kind of buy it, when you kind of like flick through the pictures, you kind of see like how to do it. Like Shein, like seriously put the instruction there. So this is actually really quite tall, like good, very tall. We like. So just to try and get the head done, so you're just gonna twist it to make it stand. Kind of twist like all the kind of spines there. Spines, they look like spines. Spinal cords. So I'll set it up for the phone recording. So obviously it's not really strong. Oh god, can you even carry my phone? Okay. Okay. That's it. Never take it outside because your phone will break unless you have like a really protected stuff. So like if you're doing like YouTube videos, get a strong stand for like outside for the winds. So I'm impressed. I'm impressed. 20-year-old good. So I'm just gonna remove these. Oh my god. I'm gonna remove this. So you kind of see it. We're gonna do like a selfie stick. So let me remove my phone before I break it. Okay. So like I actually knew how to do this by looking at the picture they had on the online. So there you got your selfie stick honey bun. So actually which you could remove Like, I don't want this one. Okay. 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 Yeah, I was wondering, I was thinking like I would remove, like, how would I remove it, but just kind of like put it all together. This is really portable. Portable, honey. Yeah. So now I just have a little. Okay. It's gonna be hard. Just need to know how to do this properly. Perfect. So we got this. So cool. So when I go to like Primark, cause like I show people like, you know, what's new and stuff, I hold it. Like, I'm not really comfortable like recording outside, but we're gonna get used to it. We gonna get there. I love this. So, yo, I can move it around as well. Period. Period. So now I become like a vlogger. A vlogger, outside vlogger. Look at me. Look at me. And you can also like bend it as well, like this, to say, you know, what's up, guys? Listen to me. Listen to me. I'm doing a video. So very good. Like, good price. €20, guys. Get theirs if you need it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do like the other version, which is the one with the ring light. So there's actually two. So this is the second one for like the ring light head, and well, this one is for the phone, like, you know, the selfie camera, but this one's with the ring light. So there's kind of like two things I need to do. Put this in here. Yeah. This is perfect. Oh my god, I can do my TikTok videos. 3 settings. Plus, minus this replay kind of button and on and off. So these are the lights turned with, and my curtains are closed off. So there's 3 lights option. So this is lights 1, which is more like the yellow light, which I love. It looks good on my actual camera. Obviously, this is a high quality camera, but yeah, love it. This is like a cold kind of light. I wouldn't use it. It's an aesthetic with some people. And this is the 3rd light as well, which is cute. Yeah, this would be very good when it's like really dark, but I'm loving this. Although I look really orange, but yeah, whatever. Those are the light options, and then you also have, you can also minimize all of them. Or like maximize. So for example, like this blue light I don't really like, you can minimize it. Make it really bright. Just, you know. Then the final light one, which I would use, you can minimize it as well if you want the vibes. This is my favorite one, so it's no. Oh no. Okay. So I really like this one. It's giving me golden hour kind of vibes. Like, I like all the lights except like the really blue light kind of one, but it's still cute. If you like minimize high, depending on the vibe of the day. So I think when it's like really dark, that would be when things are good. Because obviously it's daylight at the moment, so it's not really giving what it's supposed to give, but it'll give at night. So anyways, that is a wrap for the video. If you guys want me to continue doing like more hauls, please give this video a subscribe, a comment, a like. Click the notification bell so you know if I'm whenever I upload. Thank you. Bye.